Pakita ko lang sa inyo itong Norwich na SSP5 6.0. So, naka-metal aluminum slide. Naka-twisted barrel. So, fluted barrel. And then, naka-fiber optic sights front and rear sights. Frame is metal with under rail na rin for accessory attachment. So, may cutout na rin siya dun sa slide for optic attachment. So, arm ready na yan. And then, grip niya, naka-non-slip na grip siya with a metal slide catch selector and polymer magazine release. Ito. So, for the price nito is 16K. Check natin yung chrono. For details, check nyo na lang to sa G-Drive natin. PM na lang kayo sa Mavs Tactical.